It's a dreary, gloomy day, so we're going to be cleaning up the shelf behind me. For the past couple of weeks, my plushies behind me have been falling apart. I like to haphazardly just pile them up in an unorganized, chaotic way. But lately, things have been going awry. They've been messy. It's been gross. So today, that's what we're going to do together. We're going to look through all of my plushies. I have an assortment of plushies in my room. Obviously, my plushie room is actually outside. If you've been here a while, you know what a mess that is. That's not going to get fixed anytime soon because of lack of space. But with these here, I have a bunch of brands. Some of these brands I no longer support. If you missed that video, I talked about it 6 months ago. I said there are some brands that I just can't support anymore ethically. I still have some of them. I've donated over 100. In that video, I wasn't sure what to do because hospitals were not accepting unopened product like plushies. Everything had to be sealed, and obviously Squishmallows doesn't come sealed like that. So I ended up giving them to a local food pantry at my former place of employment. Follow me on my vlog channel, Bunny Dreams, and you saw that happen. These are some that I really love, so I'm keeping them in my collection. So I'm running out of time, but basically I'm going to use these to kind of work as risers so that everything is not just one length. This is going to be a big pile of messy chaoticness, and as I go through it, I'll show you what I love, what I don't love. Some of these brands I no longer collect. If you know, you know. I did do a video about it a couple of months ago. So I'm going to just put ones that I don't necessarily care about. I mean, I do love these two. I like this one too, but there's a lot going on with this Hello Kitty. So this will help me. Like, I want my favorites kind of at the top, but there's so many that I like that eventually I love this one so much. $5, but it's so freaking cute. These are Squishables. These are one of my favorite brands. This is the Alter Egos. I have videos for almost all of these. Maybe not this one, but I have done a lot of hauls and videos before. So we have Squishmallows, we have some Squishables, and yeah, for now. Okay, 2 more Squishables. Alter Ego edition. I'm just going to sink this back a little more. We have Kuromi, My Melody. I'm going to put these chickens now, otherwise I'm going to run out of space to do it after. See, I always forget that the butts of these kind of protrude in, so it kind of affects what I've already put. So I might have to move this Hello Kitty up a little higher and then try to put My Melody on top. We'll try to cover her a little bit later, but I love these chickens. These are my favorite. This is Matilda, and this is Maple. We have Chip from Build-A-Bear. I'm going to put him right here. We have Cinnamoroll from Five Below. Another good place to get super cheap plushies. And we have like a Dumbo. This is like a really expensive German brand. Let me see if I could put, kind of tuck them behind a little. Might fall, but that's fine. And then I'm going to have to work on this section because there's not a lot here. So I'm going to try to put this My Melody Valentine's Day Squishmallow there. Then we head into the Bumbumz territories. Definitely used to be one of my favorite brands. Just going to put this Squishmallow here. We have a Pom Pal, which I really love. We have an independent small business plushie. Okay, things are falling, but that's okay. I'll figure it out. Sandcastle. This one's perfect for Halloween. I'm going to try to plop them right here. Then we have this one. It's like a Care Bear My Melody. Oh no, Cinnamoroll. I might put him right here instead. Oh, he might fall. Maybe behind. Oh. I feel like this is gonna fall. Got a Jelly Cat. I feel like this should go next to the chickens, right? A deviled egg. Sunscreen Bumbumz. This is just the cutest thing in the world. We have a milkshake Bumbumz as well. We have a Dumbo not Sumi Sum. Dummy, never mind. This is a Squishmallow from Dumbo. I thought they were the Tsum Tsums from back in the day. If you know, you know. Then we have a shrimp. Oh my goodness, this is just the most amazing thing ever. So he's gonna cover Dumbo's face, but it has to happen. Then we have a random ice cream from Build-A-Bear. We're gonna just plop that up there. And I'm gonna try to come over here to put this pillow from Target. It's a duck pillow in the back. We have a cinema roll, summer edition. We have popcorn Tsum Tsums. They're so freaking cute. Look at this lemonade one. Look at this one. There's just too many. And then we have another Pom Pals. I don't know why this is a tongue twister for me. Pom Pals. We're gonna put them right here in this corner. You can't really see. He's right there. We have these last few right here. We have a Pokeball, 2 tiny little squishmallows. I'm gonna put that right there. And then this one, I'm gonna move the camera. I'm gonna put this one in the hole. Sorry, baby. This actually might give me a little bit more stability if I shove some of these in here to kind of prop everything up. This was a exclusive membership squishable keychain. Like if you signed up for the membership, you would get it. I think it's the ugliest thing because of the way they put the arms of the frog. It looks like just a muscular frog. Do you see that? I don't like that. So we're tucking them in there. And then we have a Pokeball. This one's technically my husband's. So I think I might just keep him out of this. So then let me move this one so it's more presentable. Or, oh god, this might make everything fall. Let me stick this one in here instead. And then the Christmas tree squishable keychain, super cute, will go here. Alright, I think that is it. Let's get a close-up. So we do have quite a bit of craziness in here, but it'll have to do because you already know everything I've gone through if you've been a fan of this channel. So from the side it looks crazy, but that's okay because all that really matters is the front, and that still looks crazy. But you know what? We're pushing through. This is how it's gonna be. It was better than it was before. My mom must have come in here. This is my filming room in my mom's house, and she moved both chickens to either side, and in theory that works, but it was causing everything in the center to fall down. So at least now everything's up. It looks relatively stable. I don't know what's over there. Oh, okay. It's cinema roll with a Bumbumz carton on the back. It looked like upside down for a second. I don't know. Alright, so that is it. Not willing to buy any kind of like riser organizers just yet. And if I want to invest in those, I'd rather use those for my blind box figures, like all the ones that I've gotten from Sanrio, from Miniso. I'd rather do that kind of structure. Whereas with plushies, I don't mind them being kind of a piled up mess. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I also want to mention that I am using my intro and outro from my old videos because I can't find my new ones. I had to wipe my computer. It's a long story. They're at my husband's house. Like those files were at my husband's house, but I haven't been there, or I could have sworn I thought I transferred them to my phone and they didn't go through. So as soon as I go there, which will be this Friday, I'll be able to hopefully by the next video have my original like intro and outro to my channel, because we did a little rebrand like last year or 2 years ago at this point. I don't know, time flies. But anyway, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and until next time, bye.